So in this video, we're going to look at the tools section of the spindle area within your Snowflake software. So first, you'll see this YouTube option. So whenever you go to YouTube within the spindle here, it does open YouTube in a browser, and the browser will not scrub the advertisements. So we do recommend that you can still use YouTube if you want from your Google Chrome browser by clicking your hook and returning to desktop, or if you need to use YouTube here for some reason, then the option is there, it's just not the best option for you. So I'm going to go ahead and close that app. Check out our video about the lessons activity if you're interested in lessons on the Cleartouch board. We do have a separate video on how those lessons work for you. You have a Google Docs option if you wanted to link your Google Drive and open up Google Docs through the Snowflake area, then you can do that there. In your media option, you have the ability to create a collection of media files. So in this example here, we have a collection of images, videos, PDF documents, and YouTube videos. So if I wanted to pull a video or a picture from this collection, then I could do that by clicking it and dragging it over. And so then I could play that video here. So a great way to build a collection when maybe you don't need a whiteboard space like Canvas would offer for you. So again, here you have your zones option, so you can go ahead and change your zones. And to go back, remember, we're going to click on that hook, click on zones, and I'm going to return to my home zone. Let's talk about the browser in Snowflake. So with your browser, it does open up a more simplified version of Google Chrome. So it is a way that you can access the internet. So I'm going to go to going to go to our AISD homepage. And so let's say I wanted to create a bookmark for the AISD homepage. If you create bookmarks within the Snowflake browser, then there's actually a spindle area where all of those bookmarks will appear, which I'll show you here in just a moment. So if I wanted to make my Amarillo ISD homepage a bookmark, I'm going to first click on the star and I'm going to change that to yellow. So that means that that bookmark is activated. To make it appear in my spindle area within Snowflake, I need to click on the 9 grid, and then you'll see these are all of the bookmarks that I've activated by clicking on that star. So I'm going to go to page 3 where I have that Amarillo Independent School District bookmark that I've set. To make it appear in the spindle, I'm going to click that little tiny snowflake icon in the top left-hand corner, and I'm going to change that color to white. If that icon is white, then that bookmark will appear in the spindle. So you can see I have the Amarillo ISD website bookmarked, I have the primary resources, and this BBC bite-sized, all bookmarked to appear in my spindle. So if I come back to my spindle area, I'm going to just swipe over where I have a bookmarks page here. Here's my Amarillo Independent School District bookmark, and then I have all of my other bookmarks here as well. So just know that you can go to your browser to manage those bookmarks accordingly. If you don't want some of these bookmarks to appear, then you're going to come back to your 9 grid. And let's say I don't want this sharing knowledge bookmark to appear in my spindle, so I'm going to go ahead and click that X. And maybe I don't want YouTube to appear, so I'm going to go ahead and click that X. That X will remove it from your bookmarks area here in your Snowflake browser, but it will also remove it from your bookmarks area within your spindles as well.